In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can use the ThousandEyes app for Splunk to deliver seamless digital experiences for your users across networks, apps, and infrastructure you own and those you don't. Cisco ThousandEyes and Splunk combine deep visibility with actionable insights to help you proactively detect issues and ensure consistently high-performing services. Installation and configuration is very easy. Get it up and running with just one click from within the Splunk instance. Add your ThousandEyes user info by logging into your account from within Splunk. Once you connect your user account, you can configure your data inputs, including streaming test data, events from event detection, and the activity log. Now, you can use the built-in dashboards to visualize your ThousandEyes data in Splunk. Let's look at the application dashboard first. Here, you can see HTTP server metrics from cloud, enterprise, and endpoint agents, and you can see the power of sending ThousandEyes data into Splunk, joining two disparate data sets into not just a single view, but also within a single dashboard widget. Let's take a closer look at a particular application that's been having problems. We can clearly see a drop in server availability in the timeline, and if you click on the chart, it opens a list with deep links to the ThousandEyes test view, letting you seamlessly navigate between platforms. In ThousandEyes, you can see the drop in availability due to a connect timeout, but no associated network layer issues like packet loss or increased latency. However, we do see a configuration change contemporary with the availability drop, which gives us some clues as to the root cause. Now let's look at the built-in network dashboard, which displays our network layer metrics like packet loss, latency, jitter, and BGP reachability and path changes. By default, this shows aggregate results for all the tests with network layer measurements, but you can choose from various filters to focus on specific areas as needed. Let's apply a filter based on the source agent, our San Jose enterprise agent, where we've been receiving reports of poor experience. We can see periodic spikes in latency, packet loss, and jitter, seemingly affecting all destinations. Again, clicking on these line charts opens a list with deep links to the ThousandEyes test views, which confirms that the poor network performance is impacting the application, and the path visualization quickly reveals that the problem is in the local network. The built-in dashboards provide a lot of value, but they are just a starting point. The ThousandEyes app for Splunk becomes even more powerful when combining ThousandEyes data with other data in Splunk custom dashboards. In this example, focused on resilience for our workforce, we're combining ThousandEyes synthetics with logs from an on-premises firewall. You'll see visualizations of the firewall logs showing which sources and targets are being blocked or allowed. And you'll see the total number of flows annotated with firewall configuration changes. Below, you'll see the visualizations of ThousandEyes synthetics from an enterprise agent that sits behind the firewall, assuring that your security posture doesn't degrade workforce experience. Here's another custom dashboard which is combining logs from an authoritative DNS server for customer-facing apps, combined with ThousandEyes Cloud Agent synthetics. The dashboard shows how many queries the server has received and where they're coming from. It also shows the availability and performance as measured by ThousandEyes, which is helpful context when troubleshooting issues. That's a quick overview of the ThousandEyes app for Splunk. Try it out today and experience the power of unified visibility across the entire digital stack.